on a dusty old road, under a wide open sky, I whispered a plea as the stars blinked by. God, keep her close, don't let her stray. In your hands our love forever may stay. At the break of dawn, when the roosters cry, I'll be standing right here with a tear in my eye, asking you, Lord, to shelter our hearts in this tender dance. Don't let us part. Oh, God above, hear this humble song. Keep her in my arms where she belongs. Through the stormy nights and the sunny days, got our hearts on love's winding ways. Day turns to night and shadows grow long. I'll keep on praying with a voice soft yet strong. God, keep her safe, let our love be true. In the silent moments, she'll know I love you. We walk through fields where the wildflowers bloom, under the moonlight in a sweetly sung tune. Hand in hand, we faced each trial with a whispered prayer. We walked each mile. If the winds of doubt ever start to blow, I'll hold on tighter, won't ever let go. 'Cause I believe in this love we've grown. With a little help, Lord, we'll make it home. Oh, God above, hear this humble song. Keep her in my arms where she belongs. Through the stormy nights and the sunny days, got our hearts on love's winding ways. Got our hearts on love's winding ways. On love's winding ways.